अस्सलामुअलैकुम, वेलकम टू साइंस विद रुमैसा। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे बॉडी पार्ट्स। हेड, दिस इज हेड। हेयर, दीज आर हेयर्स। फोरहेड, दिस इज फोरहेड। आई, these are eyes. Eyebrow, these are eyebrows. Eyelash, these are eyelashes. Nose, this is nose. Nostril, these are nostrils. Ear, these are ears. Mouth, this is mouth. Tongue, this is tongue. Teeth, these are teeth. Lips, these are lips. Neck, this is neck. Shoulder, these are shoulders. Arm, this is arm. Elbow, this is elbow. Wrist, this is wrist. Hand, these are hands. Palm, this is palm. Fingers, these are fingers. Thumb, this is thumb. Chest, this is chest. Stomach, this is stomach. Leg, this is leg. Thigh, this is thigh. Knee, these are knees. Ankle, this is ankle. Foot, these are foot. Toes, these are toes. Brain, this is brain. Heart, this is heart. Lungs, these are lungs. Liver, this is liver. Kidney, these are kidneys. Large intestine, this is large intestine. Small intestine, this is small intestine. Elbow, this is elbow. उम्मीद करती हूँ आज की वीडियो आपको अच्छी तरह समझ आ गई होगी। मज़ीद ऐसी वीडियोज़ के लिए लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।